Virgo, my earth babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. It has page been a blessing to you. Check out my LinkTree. Link is in the bio. I do have some special treats there for you. Your word of the day is vitality. It's time to work on those vitals. What does it benefit you to have your heart's desires and you cannot enjoy it due to poor health and poor thinking? I need you to eat right, treat right, stay away from shellfish, stay away from pork, drink your water, eat your greens, eat your vegetables. Make sure you're working out, reading, working out your body, your mind, your spirit, meditating, going out into elements. We need you to feel at your greatest, because why would you have everything and not be able to enjoy it? Spirit wants you to enjoy the life that's coming your way because you put in the work. Be on a massage table at least twice a month, a chiropractic office at least once or twice a month, so we can get the pressure off those pinched nerves and we can open up that lymph system and get the junk out. I'm a being of light and I accept the divine energy in my body, and every one of my cells regenerates and my body compliments me for the work that I've done to keep it healthy. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Love yourself. I love you too.